Hey guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. My name is Lizzie. If you are just joining us for the first time, please consider to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this halter neck crop top I am putting on. I hope you enjoy watching your video. Guys, in this video I want to show you how to make Ankara halter neck crop top. This fabric you are actually seeing, I've actually measured it, and the lining, the length is 30 inches. 30 inches is actually my waist measurement, and the width is 19. From my neck to my navel is 16 inches. Then I added 3 inches for sewing allowance. They're the same thing with the lining. It's 30 inches and the width is 19 inches as well. So what we will do now, bring your lining to be backing your Ankara material. This is the front and this is the back. So bring your lining to the front of your fabric and make it equal. Then I'll go ahead and pin it. So I'm pinning it to make it easy when we want to sew. So I am done pinning. We'll go ahead and sew. So I've gone ahead to sew. I sew from here round here. I stitch all the edges, but I left a little bit space there that we'll use to turn it out. So I'll just go ahead now and remove the pin I used to hold it down. So when I'm done removing the pin, look at where I left. I said I sew all the edges and left just this opening for us to turn it inside out. So I'll go ahead and turn it out. So this is what I have after turning it out. I'll go ahead and iron it so that the edges can be very flat and neat. So I am done ironing now. You turn it to this lining side and take your tape through and measure 2 inches. So when you measure your 2 inches round, you just connect your lines. You do the same for the other side here too, 2 inches, and you connect your line as well. So now we'll go ahead and fold. We'll fold this edge like this. You press it with your iron and fold it on this line like this. So you fold the edge a little and iron it. So when you are done with this edge, you now fold on this 2 inches line like this and you press it. So I'm done ironing this edge. We'll do the same thing to this other edge too. Fold a little, you press it, then fold on this 2 inches line here. So we are done with the both edges. This is how it will look like. Now we'll go ahead and pin. We'll run our stitches on this edge straight down. You come here too and run your stitch on this line straight down. I am pinning for it to make it easy when I want to sew. So I am done pinning now. I will go ahead and sew. I'll sew this edge through and I'll sew this piece as well. So now I am done sewing. So what next now is we'll go ahead and make the loop that will put through this edge and to come out from this edge. So this is what I have actually cut out. This is the width is 1.5 inch, 1.5, and the length I actually want length 60, but my material was not enough, so I have to join. This is 42. Yeah, then this one, this is 21, so I have altogether 63 the length. So I will join it here with my pin. We'll cut 2 of this. This is the other one. I cut this one too. I have to join. Then we'll go to where we will iron. So we are going to sew. We'll iron like this. We'll fold in like this. Fold here and then fold into 2 like this and iron it. am done ironing. Look at the way I folded. I fold this part. I folded this part, then I folded on it like this. So I will go ahead and run my stitches straight down like that. So I am done sewing the rope. This is how it look like. So I will go ahead and insert it inside my fabric with the help of safety pin. We are almost done with our Ankara halter neck crop top. So this will be the upside. I want to secure these ropes so that they don't fall off my fabric. So I will use my pin, my safety pin, to attach this bead to it. So I will just use my pin to hold it, then put it inside the bead to stay there to secure it. So I put 3 pieces. I'll just tie it to secure it. You can tie it as many times as possible. I'll tie it only twice. I will do the same for this other side too. So our halter neck is almost ready. So this is the finished work. This is the back.